Hi, my name is Valentin Hamburger, and today I want to show auto-scale with HEC with the multi-machine blueprint we have deployed in an earlier video. So let's log on and look at the blueprint. It should be under my Items tab. So I click on Items, and sure enough, there it is. So let's expand the blueprint and look into it. Okay, there is an app server and a DB server. App server is called app074, and we have a load balancer, and the load balancer is actually my access point into the application. So I use the load balancer IP to actually access the app server and show the web page. This is a page which is very simple. So it gets the information from the database and just displays it in a simple PHP file. You see the install date, and you see the actual date down here. This is the date we have right now with the time we have right now. So okay, fast forward. Let's put some load onto the load balancer because we want this to scale up when the load balancer is under stress. So we want to look at the load balancer. We can do that through vRealize operations, as you see right here. I click on the load balancer and I'm looking at the metrics. I want to see all metrics, and I want to see under virtual servers the HTTP request rate. So I set action, an alert in Operations Manager when the HTTP request rate is above 15 in this demo lab setup. The system should go ahead and add another app server. So let's just add some load artificially with the script. So the script will just generate hits onto the load balancer, a couple of hits, actually quite a lot of load. And let's monitor the load balancer back in vRealize operations. The script actually runs, it fires up a couple of things. Okay, so the load has risen up to 20, so 20 HTTP request rate. So actually there should have been an alert which is called high. Yeah, LB load high, you see it right here. And this alert actually triggers a trap. We send the trap to Orchestrator, as you see here. Orchestrator interprets the trap and triggers a workflow. You see the workflow here. The workflow is actually then triggering the auto scalability of the blueprint. So you see here is a request, and the request is actually scaling the blueprint. It's adding an app server. Oh, done. Okay, so it added another app server. So if we go back into our profile and we look at that, we see right here there is a second app server. It's app075. And the good thing is, since this blueprint has been designed with auto-scaling in mind, the load balancer is automatically adjusted. So no matter what I do, if I click again on the load balancer, it will automatically end up on one or the other of the app servers. This is a round robin. It's very simple configured. Now let's downscale as well, because it's called auto-scaling. It should also scale back. So now we are back to 0. We have a low alert, and actually it triggers the same, just reverse. So we get another trap to Orchestrator. Orchestrator runs another workflow. The workflow figures out the template, the blueprint. When I refresh, yeah, we're back to one application server. Now this is auto-scaling in HEC. If you want to learn more about that, visit www.hds.com for more information. Thank you for listening.